Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I know a lot of you have been waiting for me to drop a natural hair video, and I have been promising as well, but it just hasn't happened. Well, all of that is going to change today. So I'm on a journey to get back to exactly where I used to be before, or even better. Many of you know by now that I have had some really interesting times in the last few months or year and a half. But a lot has changed, and that includes my natural hair as well. As you all know, I came onto the YouTube scene with a beautiful head of natural hair, and one of the contents that really grew my channel were my natural hair videos. A lot of you were not only intrigued by my hair, but a lot of you were suspicious as well, which made it fun because I found myself having to prove over and over that Black women like myself, dark skin, light skin, medium skin, anybody can grow their hair with some tender love and care. Sometimes genetics play a role, but not all the time. I don't care what your genetics are or what your family history is. If you don't take care of your body, it's not going to be healthy. Same with your hair. If you don't take care of your hair, it's not going to be healthy. And sometimes people go for health, sometimes people go for length, and sometimes people go for style. And it just all depends on what your goals are. For me on this channel, I like to focus on health, so healthy hair, okay? And that has always been my journey. However, over the last year and a half, I have gone through some very personal things that ended up causing me stress. And unfortunately for me, when I go through stress, not only does it affect my body, it also affects my hair very much. So you will see that I went from a beautiful, full, thick head of hair to almost no hair, and I have been struggling with it. And if I'm being honest, I started to blame myself for this because when I was going through my personal issues in my life, I kind of neglected my hair. So what I would do is I would braid my hair, put it away, and do protective styles or wigs and just let my hair be for months at a time. I wasn't caring for my hair. I wasn't doing the natural hair routines that I was teaching. I wasn't taking my vitamins. My hair was honestly my last priority. I had a lot to deal with, and I was not going to mess with my hair. And a lot of you have been asking me for these hair videos, but to be honest, I just wasn't taking care of my hair. That made me feel guilty, and I really couldn't teach you all what to do with your hair when I wasn't doing anything with mine. And I saw every single time when I take my hair out, I would sit there and watch my hair fall out like there's no tomorrow. That not only made me really sad, but it also made me feel disappointed in myself because one of the biggest things that I'm known for is my hair. I have taught so many women how to care for their hair, grow their hair, appreciate their hair, love their hair, embrace their hair. And here I was going through personal issues and neglecting my hair. The very thing that I teach women, I was not basically living what I was preaching, and that made me feel disappointed in myself, and it also made me feel disappointed in my journey. But it's been a few months now. I've been doing some healing, I've been doing some self-care, and I'm trying to get back to my natural hair journey. And this journey is going to teach a lot of you ladies that yes, once again, genetic does play a role, but I don't care how beautiful your genes are or blessed you are with genetics. If you don't take care of your hair, it's going to be damaged. It's going to break. You're going to lose it. My hair is going to be living proof that if you don't care for your hair, no matter what race you are, no matter what your background is, no matter what you're mixed with, no matter what the color of your skin is, if you don't care for your hair, it's going to show. So once again, you ladies are going to see me go from a beautiful, thick head of hair to barely any hair. But the beautiful thing is we are going to restart our hair journey. So for those of you who are starting over, for those of you who just want to refresh your hair, for those of you who want to do a big chop, for those of you who want to do a soft reset, or for those of you who just want to maintain a natural beautiful, healthy head of hair, we are all going to be starting over on a natural hair journey. And another thing is that I'd like to think that I have the formula. I've done it before, and I know for a fact that I can do it again. I have gone from a big chop to hair down to my back, almost to my tailbone, and I'm going to start it again. But this time I'm going to be doing something called a soft reset. So for me, when I say a soft reset, I'm just talking about what I have right now. So the head of hair that I have right now, I'm going to use that to start my journey. So I'm going to go to a salon. I'm going to have them wash, treat, and trim my hair, and I'm going to start my journey from there. So the next series of hair videos that I'm going to do is going to be basically a soft restart. I'm going to be sharing with you my natural hair routine, my wash day routines, my protective styling, my treatments, the different treatments that I like to do, the oils that I like to use, the vitamins that I take, and just everything I do with my hair. Almost just like I did on my channel before, but now the only difference is that now I'm going to be just like a lot of you ladies who come to my channel with damaged hair, or maybe you have a beautiful head of hair, but you just don't know what to do with it. We are going to be doing everything together. We're going to learn how to trim our hair. We're going to learn what vitamins to take. We're going to learn how often we should be washing, what kind of treatments to do, what kind of style to do, protective styles versus damaging styles, and just whatever that comes with natural hair. So we're going to start where we are and move from there. Again, I'd like to think that I have the formula when it comes to growing a beautiful head of hair, because you all have seen me do it here, and you also have seen my hair go from beautiful to what it is now. So I promise you, family, the next hair videos are going to be fire. We are going to get back on our journey stronger than ever, and I promise you there is going to be results. By 2023, we are going to have a healthy head of hair. My goal is to have us appreciating our hair. I know that a lot of times, a lot of us Black women escape to protective styles, but I want protective styles to be something that we want to do, not something that we have to do. I want you to be able to take your wigs off and run your hands through your hair, or, wash your hair to where it's manageable, style your own hair, wear your hair around the house, or just rush to the grocery store without having to put a wig on. Because honestly, the older we get, the less we're going to be able to do the whole, protective styles and pay hundreds of dollars for wigs or braids and stuff like that. Sometimes you just want to get up and just go. And we want to get our hair to a point where we can do that. We want to get our hair to where if we don't have, a protective style, we're okay. If we don't have long wigs that was $500, we're still okay. We can put our hair up in a bun. We can do 3 cornrows that looks really cute. We can put it in a ponytail. We can do a wash and go. I want us to get to a point where we can do whatever we want with our natural hair. And when I say natural, it doesn't necessarily have to be natural. If you like to perm your hair, that's your thing. Do it. If you like to put, the curlers, the whatever. I just want us to have our own hair that we are proud of, that we can wear, and not always have to rely on weave, wigs, or anything that has to cover what God gave us. And I promise you, ladies, trust me, with some tender love and care for your hair, you can achieve that. Now, you don't have to have hair all the way down to your tailbone. You don't have to have mid-back length hair. You don't have to have type A hair. You don't have to have any kind of specific society standards hair. You just want to have healthy hair. The goal is healthy hair. When your hair is healthy, it doesn't matter what the length is. Some people have super long hair, but it's very, very thin. And some people have very short hair, but it's very, very thick. So the length to me does not matter. The health is what matters. You can have hair to your chin that is full, nice, and healthy, and it looks beautiful. You can have hair down to your back that is full, nice, and healthy, and it looks beautiful. Or you can have a very short afro that is full, healthy, and beautiful. So the goal of this whole natural hair series on my channel moving forward is going to be health. The goal is health. So ladies, I'm done grieving about my hair and I'm ready to start this beautiful natural hair journey. So if you want to start this journey with me, first of all, I would say that please go back and check and see if you're still subscribed to my channel. And if you are, please make sure to hit the bell notification button because YouTube has not been suggesting my videos to my followers. Maybe it's because I fell off the natural hair algorithm or whatever it is, but the YouTube gods are a little bit upset with me. So make sure you're subscribed and also make sure to hit the bell notification button. That way you'll never, ever, ever miss any of the natural hair videos. All right, family? Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.